Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the WordPress backend. To begin, log in to your WordPress dashboard using your credentials. Once inside, you'll see the main administrative area. The left-hand menu is your primary navigation, offering quick access to all site management features. Familiarize yourself with sections like posts, pages, and settings to start your journey. Creating and managing your site's content is straightforward. You can add new posts for your blog or create static pages for information like an About Us section. The intuitive block editor makes editing existing content simple. Organize your content effectively using categories and tags, and easily upload and manage all your images and videos in the media library. Personalizing your WordPress site is simple. You can change its entire look and feel by selecting a new theme from the Appearance menu. Extend your site's capabilities by installing plugins, which add new features without needing to code. Easily manage your site's navigation menus and adjust general settings like your site title and tagline to reflect your brand. Managing users and maintaining your site's health are crucial. You can add new user accounts and assign specific roles, like editor or author, to control access. Always keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated to ensure security and optimal performance. Remember to perform regular backups of your entire site to protect your valuable content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.